having a small generator for camping can take your adventures to another level. Some of the best generators are lightweight and small, yet can pack quite a punch. They're easy to move and give you the freedom to camp in exciting new places. If you want to make the most out of your time while doing some off-grid camping, you'll need a generator. Camping with a large and bulky generator that makes a ton of noise and keeps you up half the night isn't fun for anyone, including the tents or rigs parked closest to you and your loud generator. But how do you know which portable and quiet generator is the right one for you and your camping style? First, you need to understand exactly what it is that a portable generator does, why it is important for it to run quietly, and other important considerations to take into account before making a purchasing decision. We've found several of the best small generators for camping that we think you might want to consider. Let's get started. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend best portable generators for camping. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Champion Power Equipment brand. This 4,500-watt inverter generator with remote key fob allows you to start and stop your generator from up to 80 feet away. Our feature-packed power solution includes quiet technology, extended runtime, economy mode, and clean power, plus you can easily increase your power with the optional parallel kit. Start and stop with ease from up to 80 feet away with the included wireless remote key fob, push-button power and convenience like never before. Gasoline tank material steel. 61 dBA is great for RVs, tailgating, or camping with 4,500 starting watts and 3,500 running watts and up to 14 hours run time on only 2.3 gallons of gasoline. The optional parallel kit, sold separately, enables this inverter to connect with another 2,800 watt or higher Champion inverter to double your output power. Monitor voltage, frequency and operating hours with ease, plus the easy start dial simplifies startup while economy mode monitors power consumption in real time. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the Fanttik brand. Fiodio 307-foot LCD large screen shows real-time information, clearer and more comprehensive than any other power stations, about power usage, remaining charge, environmental conditions, and so much more. Let's use electricity without anxiety. Built with 9 AC and DC outputs, the Fiodio 300 is able to support multiple devices and multiple scenarios at the same time. From car refrigerators, desk lamps, fans, smart speakers, mobile phones and to laptops. Fanttik Power Station can be recharged by a 90W wall outlet and USB-C PD 60W simultaneously, and it takes only 2 hours to reach 80%. With 2 AC outlets, the Fiodio 300 can provide up to professional 300W pure sine wave power and 600W surge power, offering a sufficient and stable power supply for camping, hunting, or emergencies. Power 90% of essential home appliances and devices rated under 300W. Fanttik Power Station is designed with anytime and anywhere in mind. It is easy for you to handle everywhere. Charge it with our optional solar panel, make it a complete solar generator with one of the highest conversion rates, 23%, in the industry, to produce clean and sustainable energy directly from the sun. Number 3 in our top is from the Upusa brand. Solar generators for home use, using high-quality battery, can cycle more than 3,000 times. This portable power station built-in 9,000 mAh rechargeable and replaceable battery, equipped with DC, USB outlets, supply power to LED lights and mobile phone, e-books, game consoles, cameras, MP4. The solar lighting system is convenient to meet the different lighting needs, which has built-in 2 LED highlight light on the side for remotely illumination, and the other side can be connected to light bulbs for illumination. Light at the front side can use as reading lamp. This portable generator for camping provides 2 charging ways: 3W solar panel charging and AC charging. The solar generator with panels included can charge solar energy, is energy saving, and can be used in sunny places. The rechargeable generator comes with a handle, convenient to carry, small in size, easy installation. Anti-dust, DC and USB output, safe and reliable. Integrated packing, easy transportation. IT is not only for emergency backup power at home, but also for camping or wherever you need power when you are on the go. Number 2 in our top is from the Fiodio brand. 300 Wh, 87,000 mAh, power supply with up to 85% output conversion efficiency, works good for long-time charge needs. Super compatibility: 1 AC outputs, 3 DC outputs, 1 car charge output, 3 USB outputs and 1 PD60W output. Multiple charging outputs charge up to 8 devices. Charge your phone, laptop, fans, drone, CPAP and other electric devices at the same time. Solar panels, not included, wall outlet and car outlet. Only needs 4 to 6 hours to recharge 0 to 80%. Used with AC 110V 300W pure sine wave, reduce noise, and protect your electric devices from damage. Multiple protections for long-term life. It includes overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheat protections. Shows all working status clearly, makes you get the real-time display of power/available time product power easily. Portable small size is perfect for outdoor activities, like camping, adventure, rescue, fishing, photography and outdoor festival. The number 1 product is part of the Jackery brand. The Jackery Explorer 240 portable power station has been featured as the best portable power station for use in the outdoors by Digital Trends. A classic choice for your pick. This entry-level portable power station is equipped with a 240 Wh lithium-ion battery pack, weighing only at 6.6 pounds. The solid handle makes it easy to carry around for outdoor adventures such as tent camping, road trip, backyard camping. The power station can be recharged by the Jackery SolarSaga 60 solar panel or SolarSaga 100 solar panel. Its built-in MPPT controller enables the solar panel to operate at its max power point for the power station to be recharged at its highest efficiency. 2 alternative ways to recharge: through the wall outlet or the car outlet. Recharge the Explorer and charge devices at the same time. Keep your power station always at full capacity while minimizing the battery damage. Which portable generator for camping would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.